Hi guys, welcome back to BB's Customs. I'm Rich, and today has been a year since the channel's been running. Okay, so I can't believe it. The first year has gone by. I was looking at how the channel's done over the last couple of days, and it's already more than I thought it would ever be. Because at the end of the day, I am just a random guy in a shed tinkering with playing at motorbikes. But yeah, if I get the thing up on here, let's have a quick look. So as of today, there are... Oh, come on. There are 175 subscribers. I have had just under 20,000 channel views, which is incredible. I honestly didn't think it would do anything close to that. So that's quite humbling that many people are interested in what I'm doing. It's a huge boost to confidence as well. I look back over some of the videos I did in the early days of this compared to ones which have come out recently, and you know, I can see just through picking up on your suggestions on how I do things that the video quality itself is going up, so hopefully I'm going to keep that going and make things more interesting for you. The first bike is nearly done. I've got the paint now to do the tank, so the next video for this will be taking the tank off, stripping it all and getting it ready for painting. And then we're going to call this one done, I think, with a couple of other little bits just to put on the handlebars and things, but other than that, I think we're there with this. So yeah, we'll be cracking on, getting this finished, sell it or raffle it off. As soon as I get a raffle up and running, I will post a link on my Facebook and on my Instagram. There'll be a video with a link in the bottom as well, so everyone will get a chance. The current plan is I'm going to get it up and running for about £5 a ticket. So fingers crossed someone will win this, get a fully MOT'd, road legal, ready to go bike for £5. And then all profits from the ticket sales and things, as I've said before, are still all going to be donated to the NHS. And then whatever's left over from what I've put into this will then go on to the next bike, which is currently waiting on the other side of that wall. So as soon as this is out the way, we'll do a bit of an unveiling and show you what it's going to be. I've already got in my mind how I want to do it and what the bike's going to look like when it's finished. So hopefully you'll continue to support and look at what and how that one's going. Yeah, I'm excited and I'm really pleased with how everything's turned out. Biggest thanks to you guys, because if you weren't interested in it and you weren't watching, then I'd be talking to a camera on my own, and yeah, it'd be a little bit sad. If you do have any suggestions in how you want the channel to improve, or anything you want me to elaborate more on, anything in particular which you might just be interested in knowing in general, it doesn't have to be about the bikes or about the channel, just whatever. I'm always up for answering questions. I don't mind anything like that. There's some of you who comment really regularly on the videos, which is nice to see. I get a lot of thoughts and ideas for improvement from you guys, so if I can do the same back to you. I've even had people, it's nice, I've had people approach me now on my Instagram page. There was a guy in Germany who's also building one of these bikes, but he was putting it back to standard and having some mechanical issues. He saw the channel, saw what had been done on it, and just through a bit of back and forth going through on the DM messaging system on there, we managed to get his gearbox changing properly, his clutch running properly, which there was a great sense of achievement of being able to help someone who's a couple of thousand miles away, just over maybe an hour's worth of messaging just to run through some ideas with him, point him in the right direction, and now he's really happy because his bike's working. So if anyone's got any questions to do with anything like that or other bits they're working on, then feel free, drop me a line. I'll do my best to help out wherever I can. As I said, the video for this will be coming out soon. It's probably going to be in a couple of parts because I don't know if you've ever painted anything before, but it's not a quick process. There's an awful lot of prep work in it. You know how much I love sanding, so it's probably going to be a bit of a repeat of the wheel situation, I think. I don't know whether to... I don't want it to be a solid colour. I know what colour it's going to be. The paint's already here. It's just sat on the shelf there. With regards to the logos, if anyone wants to give any pointers as to whether they want to see them on there or not, I think it needs something on there because otherwise it's just going to be too much block colour and it's not going to look right. So having something like this on here is going to break that up a bit. And I quite like the retro look of the old Honda emblem there as well. It's quite reminiscent of the age of the bike, which I'd like to hold on to. But yeah, we'll see. Anyway, thanks very much again. Don't forget to stay safe, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers.